Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. Today's Christmas Eve. So, what a good way to celebrate Christmas Eve. It's not Christmas Day today, it's tomorrow. So that I won't be filming elevators tomorrow because it's Christmas and everything will be closed. So, I'm very sorry about that. Yeah. And second of all, I am at home right now, so I won't tell you where I live just to protect my privacy. Yeah, and so I've got a couple of cool, fun stuff that will be in the future that I'd like to share to you. So, there's not really much going on, nothing's new, so in fact, and I haven't, and I'm very sorry I haven't been active much lately, the past couple of weeks. It's because I've been pretty much busy with school, so yeah, and makes it hard every time I think about it. So anyways, that, and just to that and well, hope you like the decoration that I put on there. So I will put new videos real soon. They'll be upcoming in the future. So hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas Eve. Eat some Christmas food, and God bless you all. Goodbye.